Are you interested in knowing how to make money online? Buy data at affordable prices, airtime at discounted prices, make big payments like cable TV subscription, electricity bills, and a lot more. Then this video is for you. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a platform where you can earn and at the same time use all these mentioned services right from the comfort of your home. If this video is what interests you, make sure to watch to the very end and subscribe on the YouTube channel. Hello there viewers and subscribers of Design and Tech Hub YouTube channel. You are welcome to another episode of an amazing video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you a platform named NetCharge. This platform is a virtual top-up platform that allows you to earn from the comfort of your home, buy data at affordable prices, airtime at discounted prices, pay bills like cable TV subscription, electricity bills, buy educational pins like WIAC pins, NECO pins, JAM pins, and a lot more. All this from the comfort of your home. So if this video is what interests you, make sure to watch the very end so that you can understand every step-by-step process which I would be explaining in this video, showing you how you can use this platform right from registering to using all the services to making money on this platform. The platform is very good, it is reliable and secure. So using this platform is one thing I know you will be very interested doing. So make sure to watch the video to the very end. And before diving into the video, subscribe on the YouTube channel. Make sure to like this video so that the algorithm will push the video to more interested viewers who may also be interested in the content like this. And without any further ado, let's dive into the video. So yeah, like I said, the platform is NetCharge. On NetCharge, you can buy data at affordable prices, airtime at discounted prices. You can pay bills like cable TV subscription, electricity bills, do and a lot more on this platform. So registering on this platform is something easy and super easy. It is easy. So all you just have to do is to slide down once you're on the platform. The link to the platform will be in the video description. So yeah, once you're on the platform, you click on join now, and within some few minutes of clicking on that, you are going to be getting redirected to the query page where you will have to input your details, registration. So that once you click on join now, you get redirected to this page, which is the first page. Once you click on join now, so you click on open. Wait for that while it is still loading. So yeah, you get to the login page. This is the page you're going to be getting redirected to. The next thing we're going to do, you can see here we have register now. So you click on register now, then there will be an account sign up where you will have to fill in your information. We have the first name, the last name, the email address, your mobile number, the password, and the referral code. I'll put the referral code, like unfortunately referral code, in the video description as well. So you will like, you can use that. So yeah, once you input all these queries, you just click on register. A code will be sent to your mail. The mail you input on the email address page here, a code will be sent to you. Then you input the code. Then you will have to set a 4-digit pin. But for the sake of this tutorial video, I'm going to be logging in my own personal account, which is needed, your email and your password. After inputting this, you click on logged in. Then after clicking on login, just like I mentioned earlier, when creating your account, you would be asked to input a 4-digit PIN, which will serve as your security PIN whenever you want to log in, and your transaction PIN whenever you want to buy any services on this platform. So this PIN is always required whenever you want to log in, so as to make sure it is the right phone trying to log in into the account. So you have to input the PIN Then you click on proceed. And now you are logged in into your account, ready to use the services and ready to make money on the platform. So after you must have logged in onto the platform, this is how the logged in page of NetChat looks like. So as a first time user, you won't have any you won't have any money in the wallet. You are going to be having zero naira balance. And here it is. This is the first page of the platform. You can see here we have fund wallet. Once you click on it, you will have to fund. You will be given an account to fund your wallet. This is W to W wallet. That is sending money from one net charge wallet to another net charge wallet. And the next one is repeat. Let's say if you want to repeat any transaction you've done, you want to repeat it. So this is what repeat works for. And business. So we have business as well. So like you can see on this platform, we have airtime top up, we have mobile data, we have TV payment, electricity bill, we have cable TV subscription, which is TV payment as well, and a lot more. We have educational things, just like I've mentioned earlier. So like you can see on the screen, once you want to fund your wallet, you click on fund wallet. Then as a first time user, you will not be given an account. You have to generate a bank account. So you click here to generate a bank account, and you are going to be generating this bank account using your NIN. You must have an NIN before you can be able to generate a bank account. And make sure the NIN you are going to be using tallies with the name of your account. So here I will have to input my NIN number to uh to create to generate a bank account. Then after inputting your NIN number, you have to input the date of birth, which is on the NIN number. So the date in this format, BD, that will be a 01, month is 01, year 2, year, whatever year is year 2000, that will be 2000. So you have to input in this format or simply use a calendar. So yeah, we have it here. That will be year. You have here, you select the year on the NIN. Then you click on update KYC. And within a few minutes of inputting this, you can see generating on the screen. The account is being generated. So now you can see the response we've just gotten. Response: your account number is generated successfully. Once you input the correct details, you input an NIN number tallying with your name, tallying with the date of birth, which is on the NIN, your account would be generated successfully. So now you can fund your account. So now click on fund wallet, and you are given an account number with your name, your account name, which is as you can see my own name here, Rahim Atullah. I have the account and I have the Wema Bank as at the bank. So let's try funding this. So yeah, when funding, you just have to visit any of your bank, be it your bank app, your like your mobile bank app, your USD. If you want to use the USD, so you just visit any of these. Then you try sending the money. So I will be trying that from my side here so that you can see how fast funding this is. So as you can see on the screen, the account has been successfully funded with the sum of 475 naira. So whenever you want to send, whenever you want to fund your account, no matter how much you're funding into your account, you will be paying just 25 naira as the funding fee. So now I send the money, as you can see on the screen, the time the money was sent, and you can see here the time the money got into the account. So like you can see here below here, the money got into the account at 12:48 and the transaction was done 12:47. So you can see how fast funding net charge is. So now if you want to buy any services on net charge, be it airtime top up, mobile data, buying is very secure. Your buying is very fast, secure and reliable as your service get delivered on time. So let's try the service. Let's check how fast the service is buying mobile data. So now once you click on mobile data, buy mobile data, you are going to have this pop-up page where you select the service. So yeah, the service, which network do you want to buy? See Glo, MTN, Nine Mobile, Airtel, any of the services you are buying. So you got to select it here. So yeah, we will be dying for Glo. Then you choose the plan you want to buy. So yeah, which plan are you buying? So yeah, you can see we have the plan here. Let's choose our 1 gig, and you have to include the mobile number you're buying for and the transaction pin. Remember I said it earlier that whenever you want to buy data, whenever you want to buy any service on this platform, you have to input a transaction pin which you are created in the process of creating your lectured account. So you click on buy now, then you have to confirm. You check the number if you are sending to a wrong number. To make sure you click if you input wrong number, you click on no. But if you input the right number, you input the right detail, you click on yes. And within a few minutes, your transaction is going to be done. So you can see your transaction was successful. So I will be putting on the screen so you can see the time this service got delivered. So I'll be showing that in this video later. So now I will say this. If you remember, I said it earlier that on this platform you can earn. Now, how do you earn on this platform? As a data reseller, you can get these services at more affordable price than a normal data buyer. Buying on this platform, you can be a data reseller where you'll be selling data to people. You can get data or any services you want to buy on this platform at more affordable prices. So now how do you do that? You click on this left pin at the top here. You click on this. You click on this left pane, these three lines. So you click on that. After clicking on it, you have a pop-up drop down menu like this. So now you see become reseller. You click on become reseller and you are going to be seeing the benefits you got to enjoy as a reseller. As you can see here, the message says, kindly note that you would be charged 1,000 naira. So to upgrade to a reseller account, you will be charged the fee of 1,000 naira to upgrade to reseller package, where you got to enjoy these services at more affordable prices. Airtime VTU, you have 2% discount. Data, you have 4% pricing list. Cable TV, 2% pricing list. For electricity, 5% pricing list, and you have education paying 5% pricing list. So you can proceed once you have up to the upgrading fee in your wallet, and that is your wallet balance once it is up to the upgrading fee. It's business. So yeah, I have this upgraded account which I will be using in showing you the benefit you get to enjoy as a reseller. So once you've upgraded your account into a reseller account, you would be getting all the services available on NetChat at more avoidable prices than a normal user. So let's check using data. As you can see here, we have uh, when I bought glue data earlier, we bought it at the rate of 288 naira earlier. So now you can see here it is 276 naira. So yeah, you can see a normal user will be buying this glue data for 288 naira, whereas a reseller you are going to be getting it for a sum of 276 naira. That is applicable to all other services as well. So you can see here under this normal account, you can see we have the MTN SME data. We have it at 282 naira. We have the 2 gig at 504 naira. Now under this upgraded account, we have the MTN SME data. We have it at 271 naira. We have the 2 gig at 542 naira instead of 564 naira. So you are going to be enjoying at more affordable prices. This is applicable to all other services as well, TV payment, electricity payment, and others, do pins and all other services. This is applicable to all the services. So now, as a user of NetCharge, you can either use the app or you can use the website. If you're an iOS user, you can still use the app for now, as the app is not available on Apple Store for now. But as an iOS user, as an Android user rather, you can use the app. You can download the app from the Play Store. I'll put in the link to the app in the video description so you can easily click on the link in the video description to go through it. I opted to place the download the app. This nurtured would be holding a free class where they'll be showing you how you can scale up as a data reseller, how you can use a platform in reselling data and getting your own profit in some few days time. I will be putting the link to the class in the video description. So if you are interested, you can easily click on the link to join the class and learn how you can scale up your data reselling business. Thanks for watching.